guys. You guys are looking awesome. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How you doing, Zulu? You doing okay? Look at you, Zinj. Getting your bearings? You are so handsome. Uh-oh, somebody's crying. Who's crying? As we get closer. Where are we going? Where are we going, Miss Lou? Where do you think? She's waiting. Get me out of here. What do we got? Come here. Look. Let's take your mind off it. Come here. Come. Take your mind off it, okay? There you go. Take your mind. Sit. It's gentle. Oh, okay.
Where are you going?
Here. All right. Here. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, they'll be with you shortly, okay?
Thank you.
He's so cute. Gentle. There we go. Daddy's holding you. Look at that. Daddy's holding you. He got you. Yeah, you're a brave girl.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, hi.
Alright, my name is Anna. I'm going to be your nurse today.
Okay.
What is going on with Ms. Zulu?
Okay.
Gingival hyperplasia, we suspect.
Gotcha.
Had to look it up to learn that, but. Other one.
Okay. And this has been going on for
Over a week. Maybe less than 2 weeks, don't you think, Dave?
It's been about 2 weeks.
We thought it would go down. But she gets her teeth brushed pretty much every night. And since this has been occurring, it's just getting the toothpaste rubbed there with the gel. Not brushing in that area, but it was redder.
Okay.
Now it's still like continuing to inflame. You know what I'm saying? Like it's. So we sent a picture to the breeder, and the breeder said, "Yeah, get it checked out." So I've never seen it before. Gotcha. We've had 2 previous Basenjis, and I've never seen this before. So.
Okay.
You probably have seen it.
I know you say you brush her teeth. Has she gotten a dental done, like full anesthetic dental?
No, when we brought them, they checked their teeth and they're like, "You guys are doing a great job."
Great,
I mean,
and does it seem to bother her when she eats at all?
She's on soft food, so no.
Alrighty, so let me get her started. I'll get her vital signs going, and then we'll come back and talk to you with Dr. Tierney. You guys okay if I borrow her for a couple of minutes?
Absolutely. Be a brave girl. Be a brave girl.
Be so brave.
Come on, let's go be a brave girl. Come on, Jill. Come on, you have it in you.
Yes,
you do.
girl. Yeah.
Oh, brother.
Excuse me.
Brother. What are you doing? You're trying to go? Why are you here today? To support your sister? That's such a nice brother. And you get free cucumber too, huh? You get more cucumber, I should say. It's always free. Yeah. Here, Zinj. Because you're a supportive brother. Look, what do you get? Sit. Oh, I love that stand. Can you sit for me? Aw, thank you so much. Thank you. High. Oh, that's a double. Sit. High five. Yes. High five. Oh, okay. Let's do one more. Sit. Let's go down, down, no, down. Yes. So happy. Get those crumbs.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
All right, so I just want to show you something really quick, and then we'll talk about what we want to do about it. Hi, honey. Can I show your parents? So she does have some gingival recession. Come here. Come here. She says she's looking for the camera. Look at her. So right here, I'm assuming that's the area you saw.
Yes.
So that little red bleb of tissue is abnormal. It is probably just inflammatory tissue in response to bacteria. This tooth right here, the root's all exposed. That tooth has got to come out. That's not something that can be salvaged just by cleaning. The rest of her teeth are so clean, and you guys have done a really good job maintaining.
Too hard?
I don't think so. I mean, it is possible. My dentist tells me I do that. But most likely there is just an inevitability with either genetics or breeds sometimes. That you can see some plaque build up along kind of underneath the gums, and you can't really eliminate that with brushing. And if that progresses, the gums recede from the root and sometimes become inflamed in response to bacteria there.
Okay.
So as much brushing as you're doing and the non-anesthetic
And the gel
dentals,
and all that.
the gel, I mean everything. We're still not really flossing, right? I mean, it would be nigh impossible to floss a dog's teeth.
Yeah, I'd like to see that.
Which is, we don't even push for that. That's
She's a
just not
challenge,
happening.
just even brush.
But that's why we still sometimes recommend the yearly anesthetic dentals, because that's where we can actually scale under the gum line and get rid of that plaque there. That tooth with as much root as exposed is not a salvageable tooth. So she does need a full anesthetic dental. We will need to pull that tooth. As of right now, that is the only tooth I think that we need to pull. And then that blep of gum, we just cut it back and hold some pressure on it. It heals very quickly. Okay. I don't think the tooth under that bleb needs to be pulled. I think it's just that one, but I'm not sure. Sometimes we do x-rays and we see worse disease under the gum line. So whatever day we would plan to do this, one of you would want to be available by phone so that if I find something beyond that one tooth that needs to be addressed, I can call you and we can talk about it. I think it will be a pretty straightforward fix.
Okay.
And it's not anything, it's not a testament of you not doing enough to clean her teeth. It just happens
I know.
sometimes.
And
Yeah.
he
I'm
will
gonna
have
borrow her and work on the blood and ECG.
go ahead.
and then you guys will.
Get your girl all set and then we will get you guys out of here, okay? You're welcome. Hang tight.
Hang on. Whoever's in here. Good job.
Zulu.
Right, so she's all set. We got the blood work. Send it out to the lab. It'll be back in a couple of days, and Dr. Teamy will give you a call with the results on that.
Okay.
And then the ECG we're going to send out in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Like, yeah, it's amazing you can get it through there because
Don't leak the alcohol.
Oh,
he's
here, you
like-
get a cucumber.
he's like, yeah,
Being such a brave girl.
he's cleaning her.
Oh, good babies.
Okay, good. All right. For support.
You're good. Let's go. We'll see
Let's
you
go.
guys for your dental.
All right, thanks.
Hi.
Hi, Bella.
She likes purple too, like Zulu.
I know.
How old is Bella?
Bella's 8.
8. They're 7.
I like the way she looks. The girl is a girl.
I'm like, I'm gonna get her because she looks unique. And I'm going around telling everybody she's a Chihuahua, and this guy came up to me and was like, no, that's a rat terrier. I had a rat terrier before. I'm like, okay.
I think she's got Chihuahua.
She's gonna be mixed with
She's gonna be famous. She's gonna be on a video. Zulu.
Zulu,
And then-
I like the way her hands go.
Zulu is joy, which means Zulu means heaven. And then Zinja. That's their brother, sister. And their tail relaxes when they sleep.
I like that.
They're very cat-like.
Hi, Bella.
You're gonna be YouTube famous. You're gonna make a deep.
She's like, I can't handle it. I can't handle it.
Aw.
Did you want something very young or all right.
Hey, girl. Hi. You're cute. Oh, look at you. Look at you.
I'm sorry if you guys are all set for that appointment on September 5th.
She's a very friendly dog.
You guys will be dropping her off
Yeah.
7:30 in the morning, and then no food after.
What's your name?
Mia.
How old is Mia?
13. Oh, she looks young.
Great. She looks
Yeah.
awesome. Oh, Mia. Okay, so you got Mia on video, right?
Yep.
Mia's 13, babe.
Yeah, that's amazing. She looked a lot younger.